Hello class, this is Antarctica by William Castañeda, Hugo Alvarez, and Connor Tellez. Antarctica is populated by several species, many residing on land and many residing in the ocean. The land of Antarctica is mostly populated by penguins, such as emperor penguins, Adelie penguins, chinstrap penguins, and gentoo penguins. An example of an organism in Antarctica is an emperor penguin. An example of a population is a population of emperor penguin. An example of a community in Antarctica is a population of penguin, krill, and other species. An ecosystem in Antarctica is the Antarctic ecosystem: ice, ocean, animals, and the climate itself. Here's the map for Antarctica. The Antarctic region exists for many reasons, including Earth's tilt on its axis. Antarctica is covered by a thin ice sheet throughout all of its land. Antarctica, as well, is very isolated from the rest of the ocean, or rather, other land masses. In addition, Antarctica is very highly elevated. Here's an example of symbiosis in Antarctica. Lichen is formed by a symbiotic relationship between algae and fungi. Fungi protect algae from drying out, and the algae undergo photosynthesis. An example of interspecific competition is Adelie penguins and chinstrap penguins. These two species compete for resources such as food and land space. An example of intraspecific competition is emperor penguins competing with their population for stable spots for ice breeding. Predators and grazers in Antarctica are common to see. Polar bears are apex predators in the Antarctic region. They primarily hunt seals. Caribou are herbivores found in tundra environments. Although caribou are not native to Antarctica, they exist as introduced species in the Antarctic region. The following are species that fall within each trophic level in the Antarctic region. Seals eat fish and are preyed upon by orcas. Antarctic krill eat phytoplankton and are preyed upon by seals, whales, and penguins. Phytoplankton perform photosynthesis and they're preyed upon by krill. Penguins eat fish and are preyed upon by orcas. Ocean algae perform photosynthesis and are preyed upon by krill. Antarctic squids eat krill and are preyed upon by Weddell seals. Toothfish eat small crustaceans and are preyed upon by seals. Orcas eat leopard seals and are apex predators. Leopard seals eat penguins and are preyed upon by orcas. Penguins eat small fish and are preyed upon by leopard seals. Here's an example of a food web of the Antarctic region. As you can see, it is quite beautiful how the food web forms an interlocked web of life. An example of a keystone species in Antarctica is the Antarctic krill. This is a keystone species because several of Antarctic species rely on this species for their life as a food source. Humans have lightly impacted the Antarctic region by building research stations in the area. These research stations were built for research, such as scientific discoveries, climate change data,